Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir, Vasai East. Myself, Lavina teacher, Standard 4th CBSE, Subject SST, Topic, Chapter 7, Weather and Climate. Weather is the state of the atmosphere at a place for a certain time, depending upon heat, cloudiness, dryness, sunshine, wind and rain, etc. in that area. Maximum temperature is the highest temperature and minimum temperature is the lowest temperature during 24 hours. The difference between maximum and minimum temperature is the range of temperature. Weather. Weather is an atmospheric condition of a given place for a specific time. It changes frequently and may change in hours or days. It may be cloudy in the morning, but it may rain at noon or vice versa. Climate. The weather condition prevailing over a large area for a long period, that is 30 to 35 years, is known as climate. India has a monsoon type of climate, that is, summers are hot and wet, and winters are cold and dry. Actually, the climate of a place is considered as an average of the weather condition of a particular area. Let us know the difference between weather and climate. Weather is temporary and changes frequently in a small area. Example, Delhi. Climate. Climate is permanent. Weather condition, that is approx 30 to 35 years in a large area. For example, India. Now let us know the factors affecting climate. Climate depends largely on the relief features of land. There are certain factors that affect the climate of a place. The first one is distance from equator. At the equator, the rays are direct and vertical. Therefore, areas near the equator will receive intense and direct heat. Towards the poles, rays are slanting and spread over a large area. That is why areas near the poles are very cold. The next is the altitude, that is the height of above the sea level. The higher we go, the cooler we feel. The height of a place is measured from the sea level. People go to the hill station in summers because it is cool there even in the summer season. This is because the temperature decreases with the increase in height. Compare the temperature of Chennai with that of Ooty. Ooty is cooler because of its height. Mount Abu in Rajasthan is cool in summers, otherwise it is hot and dry in Rajasthan. Mount Kilimanjaro is located near the equator in Africa, but still its peak remains snow-covered. It is because of its height. Every place at the equator will be snow-covered if its height is above 5,500 meters. The next is distance from sea. The land heats up and cools faster than the water. The sea is never too hot nor too cold and has a moderate climate in surrounding areas. The places located near the sea are affected by this phenomena. The climate of Mumbai is moderate. Places far from the sea have hot summers and cold winters. Such a climate is called extreme or continental climate. The next is direction of winds. Direction of winds also affects the climate. Winds coming from the sea bring rain. India gets rains in summer from the southwest monsoon winds coming from the sea. Winds coming from land are dry and do not cause rains. Winters in India are dry except for the north and eastern coastal plains. The next one is the direction of mountains. If direction of the mountain is perpendicular, that is 90 degree to the direction of the winds, It helps in causing rains called relief rainfall. For example, the Western Ghat lie at the right angle to the southwest summer monsoon and receives heavy rains in June to September.